In this video, we'll look at how to balance audio in DaVinci Resolve. Start by making sure you have your audio clips in the timeline. If you notice the waveforms of the clips are different in size, that means their audio levels don't match. If you don't see the waveforms, click on the Timeline View Options icon in the middle toolbar. A drop-down will open. Make sure the option that says Display Audio Waveform is checked. This will show the volume levels for each clip as a waveform. Now let's balance the audio using normalization. First, press Ctrl and A on your keyboard to select all your audio clips. Then, right-click on any one of the clips. From the menu, click on Normalize Audio Levels. A new window will open. The first option here is the Normalize mode. You can choose from options like Sample Peak or True Peak. Sample Peak looks at the loudest point of the audio. True Peak takes digital overshoots into account. You can leave this setting at default if you're not sure which one to use. Next is the target level. This is the loudness level you want your clips to reach. A common target level for YouTube and online videos is -14 LUFs, but you can adjust it depending on your platform or personal preference. Below that, you'll see the Set Level option. There are two modes here, relative and independent. In relative mode, the audio clips will be adjusted while keeping their differences in volume. In independent mode, each clip will be set to the same loudness level no matter how different they were before. Once you've made your choices, click Normalize, and that's it. You'll see the waveforms of all your clips now look very similar, meaning the audio is balanced.